In this episode of AIgoForge, we dive into the world of AI in education and how it's changing the way we learn. From personalized learning paths to AI-powered tutors, AI is making education more accessible, engaging, and tailored to individual needs. Key highlights: personalized learning. AI can create customized learning experiences based on each student's strengths, weaknesses, and preferences. This helps educators focus on what matters most to the student, allowing for a more effective and enjoyable learning process. AI tutors. AI-powered virtual tutors are now helping students with homework, answering questions, and even explaining complex concepts in an easy-to-understand manner. They provide 24/7 support, ensuring students always have the help they need. Adaptive learning platforms. Platforms like Khan Academy, Duolingo, and Coursera use AI to adapt to each learner's pace. These platforms make learning more flexible, allowing students to learn at their own pace and in their preferred style. Automated grading. AI is being used to speed up the grading process, giving educators more time to focus on teaching. AI can grade assignments, tests, and even essays, helping teachers provide faster feedback to students. AI in learning apps. Many learning apps are powered by AI to analyze user behavior and suggest the most effective learning methods. Whether it's a language learning app or a math tutoring tool, AI is there to help students stay engaged and motivated. AI-powered content creation. AI is also making it easier for teachers to create customized lesson plans, quizzes, and educational resources. With AI tools, educators can design lessons tailored to the specific needs of their students, making learning more personalized and efficient. Conclusion: AI in education is breaking down barriers, offering new opportunities for students and educators alike. By harnessing the power of AI, education is becoming more interactive, accessible, and individualized. The future of learning is here, and it's powered by AI.